17 sati i 28 minuta. Poštovani slušalci, ovo je otvoreni program Radio Sarajeva. A u proteklih 5 minuta mi smo zasuti pozivima naših slušalaca iz Sarajeva koji kažu da na području Grbavice, zatim Alipašinog polja, Stupa, pa sada i Iđe, čuju se i vide.
As the time went by and the pattern repeated itself, people were getting used to the unpredictable situations, finding a sort of order in the chaos, constructing their own private, eccentric defense mechanisms. Yes, we learned to distinguish the hardly visible dividing line between existence and that the other side, to discover the secret map of safe ways to navigate your own city, according to which the shortest is not necessarily the quickest. We learned to sense death in the air, often long before it actually arrives. We learned the strange metaphysics involved in recognizing the right moment to cross an open space, since, in effect, there was no point in waiting. You just have to choose the right moment. One learns to read the hidden omens in the apparently most ordinary things. The order in which few pebbles lie upon the ground, the angle in which door stands open, the direction from which pigeon flies, and its choice of which branch to land upon. In this way, many Sarajevians become metaphysicians, even though many of them had probably never heard the word. Or more simply, wizards, magi, trained in that subtlest of all arts, that balancing on the narrow tightrope between life and death. Naturally, without intending or desiring to do so, by force of circumstances, as some like to say. And what was in question were not merely necessary and sometimes unnecessary venturing into the open, and the presence of death which breathed down our necks constantly, but the many of other things which were in agreement with the ancient disciplines of occult practices. Isolation, as in some Tibetan monastery, a reduction of intake in the strictest ascetic tradition. There was no electricity, so night after night we kept vigil in total darkness, looking only into ourselves. All life was reduced to the four basic elements: fire, water, earth and air, in which the material world lost all meaning. Time lost all indications of process or change. In Sarajevo only the seasons changed, and was reduced to a single, completely empty moment of pure existence. But the count was well kept in Sarajevo. every day. 3, 5, 10, 25. The radio gave us the horrendous count every evening in bulletins, to which, sad to say, we all become accustomed and indifferent, despite the fact that people are certainly not numbers.
U 17 sati i 28 minuta, poštovani slušalci, ovo je otvoreni program Radio Sarajeva. A u proteklih 5 minuta mi smo zasuti pozivima naših slušalaca iz Sarajeva, koji kažu da na području Grbavice, zatim Alipašinog polja, Stupa, pa sada i Liđe, čuju se i